Ever wondered just how fast humans have pushed the boundaries of speed on land, sea, and air? We're talking about vehicles that defy physics, shattering records, and leaving onlookers in awe. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of the fastest vehicles ever built, exploring the engineering marvels that have redefined what's possible. This video will take you on a whirlwind tour of speed records, showcasing everything from land-bound rockets to supersonic jets and even the fastest boats ever created. We'll look at the technology behind these incredible machines, the daring individuals who piloted them, and the sheer determination that drove them to break the sound barrier and beyond. Get ready to be amazed. Let's start with land speed records. The undisputed king here is the Thrust SSC, a British twin-engine jet-powered car. In 1997, Andy Green piloted this beast across the Black Rock Desert in Nevada, achieving a staggering 763 miles per hour, that's over Mach 1.02. What makes it so fast? Two Rolls-Royce Olympus 503 jet engines, originally used in Concorde, provide over 100,000 horsepower. The Thrust SSC didn't just break the sound barrier, it smashed it, becoming the first vehicle to officially exceed Mach 1 on land. It's a testament to incredible engineering and a relentless pursuit of speed. Moving to the water, the world of speedboats is equally impressive. The current record holder is the * Rocket Bob *, a surface-effect hydrofoil boat piloted by Vallejo Bottery. In 2018, it reached an astonishing 358.04 miles per hour across Lake Como, Italy. The * Rocket Bob * utilizes a unique design, a surface-effect hydrofoil, which allows it to skim just above the water's surface, dramatically reducing drag. This, combined with a powerful turbine engine, allows it to achieve speeds that would be impossible for a traditional boat. It's a thrilling demonstration of hydrodynamics and high-performance engineering. Finally, let's look up to the skies. While aircraft routinely travel at supersonic speeds, the fastest * manned * aircraft ever built is the Lockheed State Route 71 Blackbird. This reconnaissance aircraft, used by the U.S. Air Force from the 1960s to the 1990s, could reach speeds exceeding Mach 3.3, over 2,200 miles per hour. The Blackbird's incredible speed was achieved through a combination of factors, including its unique titanium alloy construction and powerful Pratt & Whitney J58 engines. Interestingly, the Blackbird was so fast that pilots would need to refuel mid-flight, and it could outrun almost any missile ever created. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of the fastest vehicles ever built. From the jet-powered Thrust SSC shattering